Good morning, friends. Yeah, another day in the Philippines. It is Sunday, and yesterday I prepared German Bratwurst. Yes, it was very messy actually, and my lovely wife says the taste is pretty good. It's not really my thing because the meat here has a lot of fat. So, and we didn't buy beef, so we had no opportunity to buy beef. So it is not really my thing because too much fat inside, but it is a start. I will show you. Yeah, a little bit dark in here. So I had 3.5 kilos and put it in the freezer, of course. It's a good pack. I think around 30 to 40 sausages. Yeah. And now a new project. Here I have my baking products, yeast and wheat flour, spelt flour, rye flour. Rye flour is pretty expensive here, even you buy it online. And now, oh, the yeast is coming already and the flies love it. I will prepare now my wheat, rye, sourdough bread. And I still have a sourdough from Germany. It is still good until February 26, and this is my last one. Good for 500 grams of flour. So this is yeast and the sourdough, and now 290 milliliter of warm water. And now I need to let it rest. So this is my bread now, and it's ready to go into the oven for 50 minutes, 250 degrees. Let's see. So there's the result of the 30 minutes baking time, and it looks quite good. I made the knocking test, and which sounds good. I only hope the crust is not too hard because I did not spray it with water. So, but it looks good. Let's see. Good morning. We are going now to Bacolod. We're going shopping. Talk to you later. Short break on the way to Bacolod. stop over here for eating. Somewhere here, I don't know exactly where on this side. Let's see. No idea. I don't know yet. Depends what they have.
You can check
Yeah.
what you like to eat.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, my wife is looking for a mannequin for the store in San Carlos. We are arrived now in Bacolod, and it's a small store here. Let's see what she's going to buy. Yeah, my wife's sister now is checking for plastic. Let's see what they have. Many different kinds of plastics, yeah. Actually, I'm looking for plant pots. I need a lot of these here and a little bigger later on. Like these for the melon plants. Interesting stuff. Yeah, a lot of traffic here in Bacolod. My sister-in-law, she's buying packing material for wedding gowns. A lot of traffic, wow. And super hot. I hope we go to SM very soon because I like to go to my most favorite department store called Unitop. Let's see how long it takes. See you later. Yeah, it was very hard to find a parking lot. We are going now to 888, this is the Asia Mall. I don't know if we go to eat first and then to go shopping, but could not find a parking lot, so we ended up here in a parking house. Yeah, we are now here in Unitop, and what they have here is just amazing. When you see all these lights, the Christmas lights, wow. Amazing. How nice. Yeah, have nice stuff here. I think made in China or somewhere else. So let's have a look. Yeah, I'm looking for my planting pots. I'm not sure where I can find them. No idea where. You did maybe in the back. My wife is over there. Okay, here are my planting pots. Let's see what I can find. Of course, the cheapest. No, my darling.
Yeah. Did you find them?
No, they don't have plugs. This is weird.
What do you mean plugs?
Electrical plugs.
Did you ask?
Yeah. I love Unitop. Wow, really nice. From Japan.
Electrical tape. Kanina mo lang mobile. Buko na mo ah. Okay, naligtan mo ino. Now, feel ka
Yeah, we arrived back in Bacolod City. My brother-in-law was driving very well, and now it's time for a German wheat beer. Yeah, I will prepare it now with ice because it is not really cold here. The beer is, well, not so cold. That's why I like to use some ice cubes. Warm, too warm, you can see, too much foam. That's why I put some ice cubes inside.